Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the auto crafter, where you can reach both its input and output. Insert the crafting pattern or recipe immediately. The machine needs that to know what to build. Once done, connect a redstone power source and attach a hopper or chest to feed raw materials. You should load ingredient stacks in the input container in the right order. Make sure to leave space in the output so items don't jam, and verify power is steady before moving on. Now configure the input slots and redstone behavior so the crafter performs reliably. You assign which slot holds each ingredient and how many items to consume per craft, because order affects the result. Then wire redstone. A short pulse triggers one craft, while a sustained signal runs continuous batches. Once that's in place, add comparators or item filters to stop overflow and to switch recipes automatically when supplies change. Make sure to test a single cycle to confirm timing. Finish by running a few test crafts and watching the output closely to ensure the items match the recipe. If the auto crafter stalls, check for missing ingredients, a full output inventory, or a weak redstone signal causing missed pulses. Once solved, make sure hoppers and chests are aligned and that comparators are not locked. If needed, add repeaters to boost the signal or temporarily remove a stuck item manually. This final check keeps production steady and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.